Hi, Dewdrops! It's Pip! Granny Apple invited me on my very first picnic. A picnic is when you eat a meal outside. And the best part, you don't need anything fancy. First, we found the perfect place to sit, under a big shady tree. You could have a picnic in a park, or even in your backyard. Granny Apple packed so many yummy foods. We had little sandwiches, pixie pears, blue sugar figs, and for dessert, Granny Apple's saporific pie. We also made sure to bring water because picnics are way more fun when you're not thirsty. Once we were all done eating, Granny Apple reminded me to clean up all of our trash. Nature is our home, Dewdrops, and we have to take care of it. Animals might think trash is food, and that can be really dangerous for them. Oh, I wonder if Echo the Bear wants to have a picnic. Bye, Dewdrops. Don't forget to make your fairy tales today.